Westmoreland couple gunned down at their home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the Savanna-la-Mar police station are probing Monday night's gruesome slaying of a couple at their home in Westmoreland. The deceased has been identified as 49-year-old scrap metal dealer Anthony Chandler, otherwise called Max, and his common-law wife, 33-year-old chef Charlotte Reid, both of Kingswood in the parish. Reports are that about 8:45 p.m., residents heard loud explosion coming from the direction of the couple's home. Upon their arrival at the location, the residents saw the wounded couple and rushed them to the hospital. They succumbed to their injuries while undergoing treatment. No motive has yet been established by the police for this latest shooting. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.